Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to share with you a good news that if you open your X application, you know that we have a Grok AI in X application, but it is a premium feature. But until now, in this week they just released it for every user, and now everyone can use it for free. So you just have to tap on this slash icon in the bottom corner, as you can see, and here you will find the Grok application or the Grok AI that in the X application. So there's some limitation to use it. Now you can use the image generation option. Also you can find the latest news and answer any question, or ask any question to get the answer from here. So if you go to the draw me option here, you can type any prompt to create any picture here. Like I have created a Tesla car with just writing a simple prompt here. As you can see, you can create any picture and also tap on the picture, and if you like the picture you can save it to your phone gallery. Again, you can ask anything like a chat GPT or chatbot, that you ask anything to get any answer. So if I just tap on the right corner, click on latest news and trends, and it will automatically search the latest news and trends from my X feed, and it will show me what kind of news and latest trends in my X app. Also, if I want to know some about anything that I like, that I want a recipe for how to make chicken fry, and it will just give me the recipe for how to make chicken fry or anything that. So I'm just sharing that Grok is now free for everyone, and also the limitation is you can only ask 10 questions in every 10 to hour. So you can ask daily to 20 or 30 question in Grok AI, and also there's a limitation of making image also. And also Grok AI is connected to Flux, which is also a premium feature. So now you can use Flux for free to create any image that you like I have made an Mount Fuji anime style picture of Mount Fuji. So that's it guys, this is the news that I want to share, that Grok is now free in X app, which was the premium feature. So use it right now. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.